Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have unboxing from the China. I bought copy ring set for the router. The price is quite affordable. I paid for the whole set with the case about $15. So let's see what we get inside. So this nice plastic case, it's not something quality and fancy, which you can see from well-known brands, but it is not cheapy as well. So nice feeling, comfortable. Here, interesting red lock. Let's unbox and see what we have inside. We have set, this is metric set. As well, you can buy an Imperial set. 2 lock nuts, all brass. You can see quite thick. Let's measure thickness. 3 millimeters thickness, and 2 of them. Nice to have. This huge brass for router to put based on the type of your router. Let's see the thickness. Total thickness is about 7 millimeters. This part 3 and that part is 4 millimeter. Inside you can see 62 and outside diameter is 67. Let's see. It's not as thick as other parts, but not thin one. Just a moment. I will show you. 2 millimeters, and here 1.5. So the rest I think is the same, just size differ. You can see this is a little bit thinner, smaller sizes. That's the smallest, 10 millimeters. See? Yes, 1 and 15 millimeter. When this one is 1.5 millimeter the thickness, but overall it is quality 31. So how will it use? If you use this adapter, put here your copy ring, tighten, that's it, and put in your router, and you will have opportunity to copy any shape, whatever you want. So many brands has such a set, but for the price and for the quality I am very happy. Just $15. Here you can see Metric. If you buy Imperial, you will get the same set. For Imperial, you see the box is made as well for Imperial sizes. So that's it. If you have any question, feel free to ask. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me to make more videos. Have a nice day.